When we think about learning English, we often imagine grammar books, vocabulary lists, or listening exercises. But one of the most powerful ways to learn English is by exploring real-world topics that affect everyone, like global food sustainability. Understanding how our food is produced, distributed, and consumed gives us a deeper awareness of both the language and the world around us. Food sustainability means producing enough food for today without harming the ability of future generations to do the same. It involves balancing three key pillars: the environment, the economy, and society. Sustainable food systems aim to protect natural resources, ensure fair treatment for farmers, and provide nutritious food for everyone. Yet, behind every meal we eat, there are hidden stories of how land is cultivated, how water is managed, and how choices on one side of the world affect people on the other. English learners who study this topic discover not only new vocabulary but also new perspectives. They learn words like biodiversity, supply chain, and carbon footprint. But more importantly, they understand how these words describe real challenges facing humanity. For example, the avocado that appears on your toast may come from farms in South America, where water scarcity is increasing. The chocolate bar you enjoy might be connected to labor issues or deforestation in tropical regions. Innovation is the driving force behind a more sustainable food system. Around the world, scientists, farmers, and entrepreneurs are rethinking everything from how food is grown to how it reaches our plates. English is often the shared language connecting these global efforts. Whether it's research papers, conferences, or technology collaborations, English serves as the bridge that allows experts from different countries to share discoveries and solutions. For example, the concept of vertical farming, growing food in stacked layers indoors, is gaining attention in cities where land is limited. Through online platforms and English-based publications, innovators from Asia, Europe, and America exchange methods to reduce water use and increase yield. Similarly, precision agriculture uses sensors and data analytics to optimize fertilizer use and reduce waste, helping both small farmers and large producers save resources. Learning English through the lens of sustainability introduces learners to this fascinating vocabulary. Words like renewable energy, hydroponics, and sustainable supply chain become part of meaningful communication rather than abstract memorization. Learners begin to use English to describe processes, share opinions, and analyze real-world impacts. This approach transforms English lessons into opportunities for critical thinking. The future of global food sustainability depends on collective understanding and communication, two goals that align perfectly with language learning. Every discussion in English about food waste, farming innovation, or climate change adds another voice to the global movement for change. When learners use English to explore sustainable diets, plant-based trends, or fair trade practices, they become part of an international dialogue. Schools, universities, and online platforms are already using sustainability as a learning theme. Students debate questions like, how can we reduce food waste in cities? Or, should meat consumption be limited for environmental reasons? Such discussions improve speaking skills while building awareness. Writing essays about sustainable solutions or recording short English videos about eco-friendly habits allows learners to practice fluency and express personal opinions that matter. Technology continues to expand access to this kind of learning. Digital storytelling projects, podcasts, and YouTube channels allow people to explore topics like regenerative agriculture or ocean-friendly fishing. By listening to global experts, learners absorb real pronunciation, idioms, and professional vocabulary. Then, by creating their own content, interviews, reviews, or sustainability reports, they use English to contribute meaningfully to the conversation.